Hi and welcome back to the Easy Unreal. I'm so excited to finally share this with you, my new ebook Getting Started with Game Design, a Beginner's Handbook. If you ever wanted to design your own game but didn't know where to start, this guide is just made for you. Let's dive in and I'll show you what it's all about. This ebook is all about making a game design simple and fun. I've taken everything I've learned over the years and broken it down into easy steps. It doesn't matter if you want to create RPGs, action games, or even puzzle games. This guide gives you the tools to get started, no matter your skill level or resources. If you got an idea for a game, this ebook will help you bring it to life. So why did I write this ebook? Because I know how overwhelming game design can feel when you are just starting out. My goal is to take the stress out of learning and give you a clear, actionable tips that you can use right away. And the best part is that you will learn from some of the best games ever made, like Diablo, Quake, and The Legend of Zelda. These games have so much to teach us about what makes a game fun and memorable. Here's a quick peek at what's inside. First, we'll cover the core principles of game design. This is all about creating mechanics that make your game fun and engaging. Then we will look at creating immersive worlds. I'll show you how to build worlds players will want to explore. Next is designing addictive gameplay loops. You'll learn how to keep players coming back for more with progression and rewards. And finally, timeless game design lessons. We'll break down what makes games like Half-Life and Super Mario so legendary. There's so much packed in this ebook and it's all written to help you start designing your dream game. This ebook isn't just a bunch of tips, it's a guide to help you succeed. You'll learn how to create games that are fun, balanced, and immersive. And the best part is that you don't need fancy tools or a big budget. You just need your creativity and willingness to learn. So if you're working on your first game or looking to improve your skills, this ebook has something for you. It's practical, simple, and full of advice that you can use right away. Here's how you can grab your copy. It's completely free, just click the link in the description below and the ebook is yours. And if you are looking for even more help with game design, check out my tutorials here on Easy Unreal. Between the ebook and the channel, you'll have everything you need to start creating your games. Once you have had a chance to read it, I would love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment or reach out. I'm always excited to hear about how it's helping you. Thank you so much for being here and supporting Easy Unreal. I couldn't do this without you and I'm so grateful to be a part of your game design journey. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button for more tips and tutorials. Thanks again and I'll see you in the next video.